Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at AdvaMed, the Medtech Conference 2012 in Boston, Massachusetts. With me is Mr. Victor Merced of the Department of Economic Development and Commerce of Puerto Rico, and Pridco, the Industrial Development Company. Welcome to SNNLive.
Shelley, thanks for having me, and very nice to see you again.
It's good to have you back. I really want to get an update on, you are a busy man. Tell us an overview of what's going on lately.
Let me tell you, busy is an understatement. Right now we've been very active. All of our initiatives are going very well. Let's say, for example, last year we posted $1.3 billion of new investment in the island, basically new product transfer. Just imagine, last year 22 drugs were discovered. 6 of them ended in Puerto Rico to be manufactured. Just imagine when everybody's slow, we're still getting activity. And we have a whole bunch of new products coming in on the medical device sector. Also, brand new, coming out of the oven, we are building a science city. It's already approved. It's on the design stage. Right now it's going to host part of the medical center, the University of Puerto Rico, and a new building that used to be a jail. Just imagine, it's going to be converted to labs, to R&D labs.
You know, it's almost not fair to have such a beautiful island with so much technical work going on. I have to tell you, I'm happy for you.
Let me tell you, I think it's the best thing that can happen. Just imagine being in a place that you want to be, because you can go to the beach any day of the year. We don't have a winter, okay, and also work during the day. Okay, I was just a short story. I have a friend of mine here that actually installed booths. His name is Terry. He lended me his bike, and he was asking me about if I ride a bike in Puerto Rico. I told him, yeah. And I told him, when do you ride? Year round? So just imagine having that kind of environment for work every single day. And let me tell you, it's only 3,500 square miles, and the kind of activity we're getting, it's just humongous this year. Just to let you know, yesterday locally we announced Johnson & Johnson expansions, okay, 2 of Janssen, 1 of Ethicon, you know, in this year, 308 new jobs.
Fantastic. Question. You're developing in your incubator, it's like an island of incubation. How many companies have you guys built? And you're all over life science. You're in Medtech, you're in pharma. What's going on in new company startups and stuff?
Okay, we have a couple of startups. Let me say, we have our own homegrown biotechnology company by the name of CDI. This company is from a local Puerto Rican veterinary. He's into monoclonal antibodies. Last year, this person got granted an award of $15 million to do monoclonal antibody development, where the Puerto Rico government also put their fair share to keep that company going. And we have other companies that are in the medical device sector, because with the amount of engineers we graduate, that's about 10,000. We have a lot of people with a lot of inventive heads inventing stuff in the device sector. We're seeing stuff like new surgery equipment. We're seeing stuff like new leads. We're seeing new processes into the manufacturing sector. It's just a lot of activity. We just need to do that because we've been 60 years in the life sciences sector. To keep the leadership, we need to be on the cutting edge of technology in order to keep our place in the market.
You are a truly amazing leader of this too. Let me share that. Now, where are you housing all of this?
Let me tell you, Science City is going to be our house for R&D. You know, it's going to host R&D labs, you know, of sciences. We have the Molecular Sciences Campus. It's a 7-story building of labs to be rented. We are also finishing up the Cancer Center, which has a joint partnership with MD Anderson. So there's going to be a main cancer research center. So just imagine all of that activity going on in the island. You know, we have one of the best medical sciences campus in the U.S. We graduate doctors every year in Puerto Rico. Some of them stay, some of them come to the U.S. Just imagine a bilingual workforce that can work not only in the U.S. but in Puerto Rico or in Latin America.
I want to know so much more. I mean, what's up for you? What's coming up next for you?
Let me tell you, I say the sky is the limit. What I look forward to, one of the key things about Puerto Rico, we are not saying everybody that we are a low-cost jurisdiction. We are not anymore. I would think we are an advantage jurisdiction. We have a jurisdiction that is highly technical, very well trained workforce. That's our main capital in Puerto Rico. Taxes, yes, anybody can do taxes, but having the kind of workforce that is ready to do this kind of products, I think it's my key identifier. What do I have for the future is basically continue doing what I'm doing, bringing new products to the island, and also helping to heal the world.
All good things. What's your website?
It's preetco.pr.com, or you can also go to every site of the government at PuertoRicoDoesItBetter.com.
PuertoRicoDoesItBetter.com. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at the AdvaMed, the Medtech conference here 2012 in Boston, Massachusetts. Victor Merced, the Department of Economic Development and Commerce of Puerto Rico. And he's PRIDCO, the industrial development company. He's building an island within a medical and product community that's going to take its own place in the sun, ladies and gentlemen. Did I say that okay?
Yeah, very, very nice. And Shelly, nice to see you again. I hope I have even better news the next time.
It's always a pleasure to see you.